Hey, hi, welcome back. I finally got the access to try Manus AI. So Manus AI is an AI agent from China after DeepSeek. An AI agent or AI app that everyone is talking about is Manus. What is Manus and how it is different from ChatGPT or DeepSeek or any other ALM? Because it is an AI agent. ChatGPT or DeepSeek will do things for you. If you ask something, it will give you the information. It will perform tasks. It will analyze things and all. But a Manus AI is a different thing. Like it's an AI agent. It will do things for you. It will browse in it for you. It will do tasks for you, and it will do like whatever you can with the help of your laptop or mobile. So that's something. I mean, Manus AI is different from other tools. ChatGPT has also released the ChatGPT operator, but not everyone can use it. Like it's a paid thing completely, and it's only available in US as of now. But Manners, like there is a free version, you can try it as well. How Manners actually work? What is the power of like agentic AI? What you can do with Manners AI? Let's work on a few other things. See, you can also see what are the different things that you can do with Manus AI. So there are a few things that is featured here. You can also research about anything. You can ask about maybe general things, data analysis, education, productivity, like whatever you can. Like you can ask something that it will search internet and use your laptop to do whatever it can. So this is something which is great about maybe Manas AI. Let's suppose we will ask something. We will ask about the itinerary of maybe a trip. Let's suppose I'm planning for a trip from Hyderabad to Vietnam the coming May. The coming May. Give the best and budget. Give the best budget itinerary for a 7 day trip, including flights. See, I'm asking Manage to give me an itinerary for a 7 day trip, including flights. Like you can also ask this to ChatGPT or DeepSeek, but they will give you most generic information. Let's see what Manage will do based on this prompt. I just click yes. You can also see what Manage will do in the backend as well. It will think and it will browse all the websites as well. You can see here it's searching Google, it's searching the internet, it's using its own computer to perform things in backend, and it's searching all over the internet to find us the best possible results. Searching web, it's done. Like you don't need to search on the internet. It will take care of that. It will use its own computer to perform all the things. It's browsing through the websites itself. It will literally save a lot of time for many of us, and it's going to change the way people use internet from now, because you don't have to research or you don't have to do some stuff on internet by spending hours. Manage will take care of the internet browsing part and just give you what you need in the end. Like you don't have to worry about research and finding the best things. So this is the power of AI agents in general. AI agents are changing the way that we use internet. Not only these, like there were many other use cases that you can do with here as well. You can ask Manage to maybe analyze his stock. You can ask Manage to teach something. I mean, to teach you something by asking the best possible resources, free resources available on that particular skill. It will do that. It will browse through the complete internet and give you the best results. Like it's like there is nowhere like you can find AI agents available for free at this moment. But Manage is giving you the access in the free version as well. See, there is nowhere like it is forcing us to look at links. Like it is taking the decisions by itself. It's browsing, it's looking at best options available in the internet, and it will give us the final itinerary. We don't have to take the decision there. Like it will be completely done, and whatever the output that we get from Manners, like it will be the best because it has that decision making ability. So AI agents are different from normal LLMs because of this particular thing. ChatGPT, DeepSeek, of course, like in free versions, like we might not get ChatGPT to access the internet and give us the best possible results. In the worst case or in the best case, we can get the links. Like ChatGPT will give you the links, so access this link to see best accommodations or best flights. But it will not tell us this is the best, because it can't take decision by itself. Even the ChatGPT operator has it, but it's costly and it's not accessible to everyone as of now, at least in the free trial. So this is why Manas is more superior than any other AI tools available. This is the best AI agent available so far. You can actually view Manas computer as well. See, this is what Manas is doing in the backend. Like, this is the computer of Manas. So Manas is using its own computer to do all those things, like whatever that we are seeing now in the left side. So this is what Manas is doing. It is searching for something based on all the results that Manas found. Like, it will take the decision by itself. It is the live preview of what Manas is doing in the backend. This is great, right? Like there is nowhere that we can find this kind of agentic AI for free. I really like this about like Manas. Like, it's using its own computer and using browser by itself. So this is a live version of Manas computer, and it's also documenting everything there. In one tab it is documenting everything, in another tab it is browsing the internet, in another tab like it's writing down whatever it has gone through the search results. Now accommodation is done. Now Manas is searching for transportation options here. And like, if you can also see what Manas is doing in the background, it is searching for transportation options within Vietnam, domestic flights, trains, buses, and these are all the results that Manas got in Manas computer. And based on those results, Manas is taking the decision and documenting things. So it's super good, right? We are not doing anything. See, you can see my hands. Manas is doing all these things in the back end. It's browsing, it's scrolling through the browser. An AI tool called Manas is browsing the internet, scrolling and doing things that a human can do. What can we call this? Like, this is what AGI in general will looks like. It's thinking like a human and doing things like a human, and more effectively as well because of its computing power. It is done with flights, it is done with the accommodation, it is done with the transport, and now it's searching for attractions and activities in Vietnam for the trip. It searched all over the internet and it got some results, and now it's again documenting it. It has done the captcha verification by itself as well. See, then I wonder, like, what's the point of having an AI or robot verification? Because an AI is filling the captchas. This is something that a serious thing, because AI is doing the captcha verification by itself. So it has documented the attraction activities to do in Vietnam, and now it is creating day by day itinerary for the trip. See how it has documented things so far. Now it's calculating total budget breakdown. You can see what it's doing in the back end. It's doing all the calculations, doing all the browsing part. It's done with the entire thing. It has collected the flights information, accommodation information, travel information, tourist attraction information, costs and all, and it gave me a document as well. Let me open it. So this is the complete travel plan. I can just download it by clicking a download button. There are two options: download as text or download as PDF. Let me open this. So this is the complete PDF that it has given, like how much it will cost and all, trip summary, budget range. It's showing the budget around like $600. It's maybe 50,000 for a 7-day trip, including flights, and it's giving me the best flight available, accommodation options, day by day itinerary. You can also see it in the side panel of Manas as well. Flights information, accommodation, like where do you stay, on how many days you should stay in a particular city and all. 3 nights, Da Nang, 3 nights, day by day itinerary also, like you arrive on Saturday and you do this, you have to take lunch, day two, complete itinerary step by step. And it's also giving the complete budget breakdown, like how much you should spend on so and so thing, and must see attractions that you should definitely miss. The whole complete document, I got it around maybe 10-15 minutes. And another thing that you can do with Manas is you can share this as a interactive website as well. If you want to create a portfolio of your own, just by giving your details, then this is solid thing. So this is an AI agent. Like, I have never witnessed something like this. You can do wonders using Manas AI. I hope you find this helpful. If you want someone else to know about this, please make sure you share this video. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to the channel for more such amazing content on technologies. Thank you.